Hi, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will discuss about Linux operating system. So what Linux operating system is? So Linux operating system is an open source operating system, and this was developed by Linus Torvalds. He forked or created similar features from one of the existing Minix operating system at that time. I'm talking about 1980s when this was developed by Linus Torvalds. And he was also supported by Free Software Foundation, and this is available free of cost to the users. So when I talk about forked or similar feature, it means that he rewrote the kernel and added the modules or features into that operating system which were more user friendly or were presented in an easy way, and most important, freely available for everyone. Now here we used a word open source. What does this open source means? So open source is referred to as a software or piece of program. It can be a small script as well, which you can develop and you present that to the whole world, available on World Wide Web. So same way, Linux operating system is freely available with its source code, and source code here is referred to as the base code, which may be written in C, C++, or C# or Python. That is available to you. You can change that if you have that knowledge. Then you can make changes and you can tweak its packages as per your requirement. So that is what the open source means. There are so many Linux distributions. We call these various operating system as distribution because they vary a bit from one to another. However, their core, which is kernel, remains same. So most widely used top open source Linux distributions which are freely available are Debian, then Ubuntu, Fedora, OpenSUSE, CentOS Stream, Oracle Linux. Before I go to next, just one small thing here is CentOS Stream, Oracle Linux and Fedora, they are kind of similar operating systems. I mean, most of the commands are almost same and they follow Red Hat operating system. Debian, Ubuntu and SUSE, OpenSUSE, they are a bit different than CentOS, Oracle Linux and Fedora. Different in term of they follow a bit of different packages, package managers, they have bit different, but they all are freely available. Now we will move to next slide where I am going to show you few of the popular but paid Linux distributions, and the top of the list is Red Hat Linux, then Oracle Linux, SUSE Linux Enterprise and Ubuntu Pro. And the basic difference between the open source and paid Linux distributions is that with paid you get support, technical support, and of course vulnerability management and timely patches for your Linux distribution. So vulnerability management or patch, if this is a new term for you, then I will just give a little bit description here. However, I have explained it in my other security tutorials. So there are various packages, modules or programs in your operating system, and if by any chance hacker is able to exploit that, exploit means here to take advantage. So the hacker can get into your operating system using one weak package or code is not written well, then that is what is called as loophole, vulnerability or a flaw. And hacker, if he is able to get in, then we call that he is able to exploit that particular software module. So these paid softwares provides those patches or fixes quickly if it's known worldwide or known to the distributions. So this is the basic difference. Thank you very much, and do not forget to give your comments in the comment section. And also, if you want to have Linux system administration course, please enroll for my Udemy course as well, which is given, the details are given in the comment section. Thank you very much.